Here's a 65 Mustang. Just cleaned it up a little bit. It's got a 302 engine in it. I can show that in a little while. Paint is pretty good. It's got some scratches. That's what you expect driving a car. This is what I was talking about before. Some guy ran into me, left a mark there. It's not too bad. Overall, car's pretty solid. Everything works. Tires are like brand new. You can see still has all the nipples and stuff on there. Safety, registration is good. We start it up so you can hear it. Equus gauges, fuel gauge. It's got auxiliary radio. It's MP3, so you can plug in the cable. Alright, start it up. This ball fan turns right on. Starts right up. Interior is good. Headliner, good. Installed seat belts in the back. Back seat's good. It's a little messy. Got my kid's car seat in there. All windows work. Passenger seat. Little cup holder in the middle. Driver's seat's good. Doors work. Installed these seat belts. 3-point seat belts. Retractor. Better safety. Same on the other side as well. 3-point seat belts.